Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a short one, but I wanted to do a quick unboxing of the Nike Space Hippie 02 in the Vault colorway. Now this is set to drop today, which is the 16th of July. And I only have the 02 with me. They are releasing the 01 and 03 in this drop in the new Vault colorway. But unfortunately, my game was not strong this time around, so I only managed to get the 02. But if you guys are interested in the Space Hippie collection, I've already done a full video about all of them in my previous video. Anyway, it's on my channel. I'll link it down below for you guys to watch if you're interested. But today we're going to be talking about just the 02. So let's start off with the upper of the sneaker. It is constructed with the Space Waste yarn, which is made up of 90% recycled polyester from old t-shirts, recycled plastic bottles, and scraps from the factory floors. The knit on the upper is actually really soft and flexible. Obviously the 02 has a sock-like kind of fit and it goes to sort of a mid kind of cut, and I actually really like the look of the 02s and they feel really comfortable. I have no complaints there. There are a few different knit patterns on the upper of the sneaker, and on the side you can feel that it's a little bit more firm because it has been reinforced to give the sneaker a little bit more structure. But with the top of the sneaker here, it's definitely a little bit thicker and super soft, and you can see this Nike swoosh woven into the sneaker in this Vault colorway. I actually think this color combination is really nice, and I think I prefer this more than the first colorway. Another detail is the pull tabs on the sneaker in black, and it says 02 here because this is the Space Hippie 02. On the back as well, you have that Nike branding here. Moving on to the midsole of the sneaker, it has that crater foam and it has that like confetti kind of texture, which I think looks really great. This speckled detail comes from the reground rubber that they have incorporated into the foam, and I think this color is really nice. With the first release, it was more of a pale blue color, which I think was still cute, but this time around it's more of a not really white, like a really light gray. I feel like this color definitely complements the gray upper on the sneaker. And yeah, this sneaker is just super lightweight, and to give it cushioning, it does have the recycle Zoom X foam. And also when you look at the inside of the sneaker, it does have that recycled Zoom X like insole. It is glued onto the sneaker though, because I do want to like take it out to show you guys, but at the same time I don't want to like rip it out of the sneaker. But I'm sure you guys have already seen Nike's video where they show you like all the components of the sneaker. If you have not seen that video, you definitely should, because it explains a lot more about the process and the sustainability aspect of the Space Hippies. I know that the original colorway was really difficult to get for a lot of you guys, but from what I know, this time around there's going to be slightly higher quantities with this particular colorway. So if you're thinking about picking up a pair this time around, hopefully you'll be able to. But yeah, I personally really love the Space Hippies. The 03 is definitely my favorite, but I think the 02 is super wearable and yeah, just really comfy. And I like the sort of sock-like kind of fit. It's like an everyday go-to sneaker where you don't have to think too much about it. And yeah, you could wear this all day and just be super comfortable. One thing that I forgot to mention in my last video is that with the Space Hippies, they do come with a tote bag, but only the Space Hippie 1, 2, and 3 comes with a tote bag. The 04 doesn't come with a tote bag, I'm assuming because the 04 is the only one that doesn't have the Zoom X foam. But yeah, so if you guys didn't get a tote bag with the 04, it's not that they forgot it, it's just that it doesn't come with those ones. And it also says on the bag as well, it just says 01, 02, 03. And you guys have already seen what the box looks like. It's just like a plain simple box, and then when you open up on the inside, that's when you see the Space Hippie branding. And from what I've heard, Nike actually ships the sneakers to you in this box. They don't actually double box it, so I don't know whether the box will come like slightly, you know, like not perfect because there isn't a double box. I have not tried copying it online, so I don't really know. In terms of sizing, these fit true to size, so just go for your regular Nike sizing. They feel really comfortable and cozy on feet, and because the knit is so soft as well, it definitely like hugs onto your feet in like a really good way. The Space Hippie 02 is definitely a very wearable silhouette and something that pairs well with everything in my opinion. So in my video, I've just paired it with my Nike ACG ACG cargo pants, which by the way guys, it's on sale on the Nike website, or it was on sale like a few days ago when I checked. So if you guys want to get a pair of these ACG pants, I highly recommend because I love them a lot and it's on sale right now. So yeah, pick it up if you're interested. But that's what I'm wearing in this video. But I also think this would look good with like some jeans or even shorts. I just feel like these are super wearable and I can't say enough good things about the Space Hippies. I really love them. The whole Space Hippie collection is just very innovative and I just like it a lot. So I feel like because this is the second colorway that they've dropped, it will still be somewhat limited, but definitely more than the first release. So hopefully you guys are able to cop a pair if you're interested. The retail price for this is 220 Australian dollars, which I think is quite fair. I know a lot of people left comments in my last video saying that they think it's expensive considering that it's like made out of trash. But yeah, I think it's an okay price. It's just the same price as other Nike sneakers. So yeah, I don't know, maybe they have to do like more, I don't know. I'm trying to justify the price, but I don't know. And I think it's an okay price. But yeah, I think that's all I have to say about the Space Hippie O2s. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was a little bit short, but if you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys really soon. Bye! I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of the Space Hippie Vault colorway O2. Wait, what? When the first colorway? No wait, when, what am I even saying? From recycled plastic bottles, factory scraps, as well as old t-shirts. Sorry, I almost forgot what I wanted to say. From old plastic bottles, old t-shirt, old plastic bottles. Wait, does that make sense? I was actually going to wear my orange Nike Lab hoodie today, and then I realized that I wore that same hoodie in my last Space Hippie video. So I decided to change and I have this jumper on. I think it is quite cute. It is from Ambush, but I realized like because my hair is always covering, it just says like Ush on this side. But yeah, I think it's kind of cute. Thank you.